Studies show that fear of failure and loss of control are among the top reasons people avoid new challenges, and for motorcyclists, that fear often hits hardest in corners. Tight turns, blind bends, unexpected lean angles trigger panic, even in experienced riders. But here's the good news. There's a simple strategy that works absurdly well to erase that fear and replace it with total confidence. Why corners feel scary? Our brains treat cornering as a combination of new sensations and risk. Leaning a bike is a weird feeling. At first, it triggers your amygdala because it's unfamiliar. In fact, Canyon Chasers explains that our default reaction to unusual sensations is fear, even though leaning is necessary to turn. Another factor is target fixation. If you look at a hazard or even the outside of the road, your bike will tend to drift that way. This anxiety is common and overcomable. Learning how to corner safely will replace that apprehension with confidence. A mindset shift. Focus on the process. First, see fear as a normal warning system, not an obstacle. Many expert riders say that the more you focus on what you're doing, your speed, line, and bike control, rather than the amount of lean, the less afraid you feel. For example, pro racers report feeling less fear when they focus on technique instead of how far their bike is leaning. In practice, shift your attention to parts of the turn you can control: entry speed, brake release, and where you look. Always remember, you go where you look. Once you keep your eyes on the exit rather than obstacles, your line improves and the corner feels less intimidating. In fact, looking ahead makes the curve appear slower, which reduces anxiety. Body position and relaxation. Your body position is like your bike's co-pilot. Help it by getting out of its way. Lean with the motorcycle instead of against it. Rotate your chest and shoulders into the turn and anchor your weight to the inside. One riding coach advises, rotate into the corner, press your outside leg into the tank, and relax your arms. This alignment encourages the bike to follow the lean naturally. Relaxation is key. A death grip or stiff arms fight the turn and tire traction. In fact, stiff arms inhibit the bike's ability to turn and reduce grip. You should feel almost light on the bars. It's fine to gently grip the tank with your thighs instead. Keep elbows bent and low and let the bike move under you. As long as you lean your body correctly, inside shoulder down, outside leg on the tank, and stay loose elsewhere, the bike will do most of the turning for you. Eyes on the exit. How vision helps. Where you look is where you go, so make your focus the road ahead, not the scary parts of the turn. Keep your chin up and eyes pointed toward the furthest clear point down the road. Never stare at hazards or the road's edge. MCN warns, never look at anything on the outside of the turn, because you go where you look. Instead, pick the point where you want to end up and look through it. This drives the bike along the right path and also calms your mind, because the curve appears slower, which reduces anxiety. Practice this by choosing a gentle curve and consciously tracking a spot at the exit with your eyes. You'll notice the bike naturally leans in as your vision shifts. That's how you guide it along the correct line. Over time, this habit of looking through turns will feel natural and keep fear in check. Throttle, speed, and braking. Smooth inputs. A core strategy is slow in, fast out. In other words, do most of your braking before the turn and then roll on the throttle smoothly through the corner. One riding guide reminds us to complete most of your braking before entering the corner. Then, once leaned over, gently add throttle. As Riding in the Zone explains, crack the throttle as soon as the bike is leaned. Gently at first, and then progressively feed in more drive. This steady acceleration stabilizes the bike and lets the rear tire work evenly. Avoid chopping the throttle or braking abruptly. While already learned, those inputs upset the balance and can make the bike wobble. If you must brake mid-corner, do it very softly, a light tap, so the bike tightens its line without losing grip. Ideally, pick a safe entry speed so you can steadily roll on all the way to the exit without panic. Over time, you'll discover you can carry a bit more speed safely because your inputs are smooth and controlled. Building confidence, drills, and mindset. Try these practical exercises to build trust in corners. Find an empty parking lot and set up some cones. Practice tight turns at a walking pace to develop balance and relaxed control. On a gentle bend, consciously look as far ahead as possible through the turn. You'll likely find your line and confidence improving as you track that exit point. Start with minimal lean and body movement, then gradually increase how much you move inside the turn as you become more comfortable. Ride a corner holding a constant, very mild throttle, no braking or revving. Once that feels easy, practice gradually rolling on more gas through the exit, keeping the pace smooth. Try large U-turns at a moderate speed in a safe area, combining your visual focus, lean, and throttle so you can feel how the bike responds. Common cornering mistakes to avoid. Even experienced riders slip into bad habits. Watch out for these errors and use the fixes above. Target fixation, looking at obstacles or roadside instead of through the turn. Fix it by looking through to the exit point. You go where you look. Gripping or tensing. Clenching the bars or locking elbows. Unclench and bend your arms. Let the bike move under you, chopping the throttle or panic braking, suddenly closing the throttle or grabbing the brake mid-turn. Instead, maintain a steady roll-on of throttle, or a very gentle brake, to stay balanced. Entering too fast, misjudging speed and then panicking in the turn. Brake earlier so that your chosen speed fits the curve. Remember the slow in, fast out mantra. Poor lane positioning, hugging the inside on entry, or not setting up wide. Approach a right-hand turn from the left side of your lane, and vice versa, aiming wide on entry for the best view, then move to the inside apex for a wide exit. Inconsistent throttle, jerky changes in acceleration through the corner. Aim for smooth, gradually increasing power on exit. Cornering faster and fearlessly is all about practice and process. Use the techniques above one step at a time. As you learn to trust your vision, body position, and smooth throttle, those nerves will ease.